To Math Made Easy. Today we are going to see the tree diagram. Tree diagram is important topic in probability. Tree diagram are used in probability to show possible outcomes of an event by step informations clearly and calculate easily. See the sum of the examples. I have two sums. First sum, the tree diagram below shown the probability of fail, pass in a written and the practical test. The probability of passing the written test 0.4 they have given. The probability of passing the practical test is 0.75. The given or independent. Practical and written or independent. Calculate the probability of all possible outcomes. Okay. Let's take the answer. In this example, a student takes a two type of test, written test and practical test. Given that probability of passing written test is 0.4. Probability of passing written test is 0.4. Probability of failing the written test is the complement of pass, that is 1 minus pass. 1 minus probability of passing is equal to 1 minus given value 0.4 equal to 0.6. This is the value of probability of failing the written test. Next, the given question, in a given question, the probability of passing the practical test is 0.75. Passing the practical test is 0.75. So probability of failing the practical test is equal to 1 minus probability of pass, that is complementary probability. So 1 minus 0.75 is equal to 0.25. This creates four types of outcomes: pass, fail in a written test, pass, fail in a practical test. Therefore, probability of passing both tests is equal to both probability of passing both tests. That is, passing means 0. Written test is 0.4 and practical test 0.75. That is equal to 0.3. Next, similarly, the probability of failing both fail in the practical and pass in written test is equal to 0.4 into 0.25. That is, pass in the written test and fail in the practical test. 4 into 0.25 is equal to 0.1. Next, we have to find the probability of a fail in written test and pass in practical test is equal to fail in written test 0.6 into pass in practical test given question 0.75. We multiply these both, we get 0.45. Probability of both fail practical is equal to, we have calculated from the given question, 0.6 into 0.25 is equal to 0.15. So total probabilities, all outcome must be equals to 1. We know that this is the probability rule. All outcome must be equals to 1. So we have to calculate that the probability of passing both tests is 0.3 plus probability of fail in practical and pass in written is 0.1. Fail in written and pass in practical is 0.45 and fail in both test is 0.15. That all summing is equals to 1. So our answer is also correct. Next question. A bag contains 4 yellow counter, 3 red counter and 2 green counter. A counter is taken out of the bag at the random. Its color is noted and then it is replaced in the bag. And the second counter is taken and out of the bag. What is the probability of choosing two counters of different colors? Let us calculate the probability of same colors. We have to find the different color. We know that the complementary probability on of finding the same colors, we can make a difference to the same color with 1. We get the probability of a different colors. Let us see by step. Finding the probability of a same color, we first find the given details that 4 yellow, 3 red and 2 green is equal to total number of counters is equal to 9. Here we have to find that P of y, probability of getting yellow, is equal to total favorable yellow is 4. So 4 divided by total outcome is 9. So 4 by 9. If we have the same number of counters from the probability, we get P of yy is equal to 4 divided by 9 into 4 divided by 9 is equal to 16 by 81. Similarly, we have to find that the or red and green. We get probability of finding one red is equal to total number of red is 3 given question divided by total number of all counters is 9. Similarly, we have to find the probability of a same red colors in a two counters. We get 3 divided by 9 into 3 divided by 9. Multiplying the both, we get 9 divided by 81. Same as finding for a green, probability of green is equal to total number of green is 2 divided by total number of outcomes is equal to 9. So we have to find the probability of green in two counters. We get 2 divided by 9 into 2 divided by 9 is equal to 4 divided by 81. Total same colors we have to find. How we find? Probability of yy plus probability of or plus probability of green. We know that we have already found that from the first itself. So probability of yy is 16 by 81, probability of or is 9 by 81 and probability of green is 4 by 81. We have the denominators as the same. We can sum the numerator. So 16 plus 9 plus 4 is equal to 29 divided by 81 is the total sum of same colors. Now in the question we have to find the probability of choosing the two counters of different colors. Now we can find by the complementary probability. P of different colors is equal to 1 minus P of same color. That is equal to, we have find the same colors. Same color is 29 by 81. So 1 minus 29 by 81 is equal to cross multiplying 81 to 1, that is 81 minus 29 divided by 81. We get 81 minus 29, we know 52 divided by 81. So probability of choosing two counters of different color is 52 divided by 81. You have any doubts in this video or any tree diagram in the probability, please intimate in a comment. I will clear in your next session. Thank you.